Good evening, good morning, whatever it is, it's cold. It's about 5 degrees and I have arrived at my favorite place to go shopping in general, including shopping for resale. I'm already distracted by the outside stuff. I'm gonna go inside. This is definitely gonna be my last stop of the evening. This is the part I haven't done yet. Yo, what is this? This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I love that. I'm taking a photo of this and sending it to like all my group chats. Look, it's another head vase. 22 and 20% off, and it's a Napco. Although my head vases haven't been doing as well as they have in the past, I kind of feel like I can't leave out here on principle. Well, I know I'm out of it because I just literally read the words Relpo and said Napco. Let's see what else they got. These are pretty funny, these little funny chefs. Gosh, I'm really trying not to be too crazy. I've already spent $150 in here. Oh my gosh, look at these. That is fantastic. And they're all pins. The whole box, 42 and 20% off. That's really fair, but I'm gonna pass on that. All right, this is yet another danger zone. I mean, this whole place is kind of a danger zone for me, but look at this Mickey Mouse. Oh, it's trying to come with me. It's a sign. And normally I'm not a crazy Mickey person, but $18. Oh, that's so fair. It's a little too banged up for me. Oh my gosh, what's happening over here? Let me put Mickey back. Hold on, let me adjust things. Let me not neglect this side. All right, first of all, these are very unique, but even with 20% off, I don't think I can rationalize doing that. What is happening here? Oh, I think I looked at that last time. That's more of a Kate thing. And you know I love a good tin litho set, but that's a little too steep for me. And that decal, even though it's Bambi, it looks like it's seen better days. Look at the cute little new old stock. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. What in the world is happening here? Santa Cocoa butter boxes, $5. We're taking both of them. They're incredible. Oh my gosh. This is like new old stock heaven. Oh, but what do we have here? Little monkey. I guess it's 5 Japan flock deck ornaments, $20 and 20%. Totally fair, especially when you, this is its own thing. 25. Ugh, I'll leave that. Actually, I'm gonna bring that out just in case somebody doesn't get it confused. I know not everybody stops to read. What is this? Santa box with hat, 24. That's very cute, but a little too steep for me to do anything with. This is that material that I'm so nervous that will get damaged. What is this? 3 whiskered Santa faces, 10 cents. Well, it's got the original packaging. Unfortunately, it's only one of them. It's a little seal. Speaking of which, they've got this one. This one's new old stock. And it's the full booklet, it looks like. Oh, I'm starting to get nutty. I feel like I can't make good decisions right now. This star is pretty incredible. $9 and 20% off. That would make a great nightlight cover. Like I said, it's really hard not to just buy everything. I'm gonna come back. I need to see what else is out there. I'm getting really crazed. Like that sense of urgency. I hate that. What is happening here? 18. I'm gonna put that back. I don't want that. And I do love the vintage braids, but I'm noticing these pose dolls now. What? They are definitely the better selling ones, but alas, I don't think I can do anything with them at that price. However, this mermaid, $38. Now that's still a fair retail price, and I love the old imagery on the hairnets. I have gotten some really strange stuff. Now these are 3 for $30 and 20%. It's kind of hard to say no to that, but I'm starting to feel a little shopped out. Oh my gosh, and there's more. Okay, first of all, what is that? Japan XSL with yellow hat, 22. I don't think I can justify that. Wait, 30%? It would be $15.50. Now, I'm sure I'm gonna need a key with that 30% happening. There's a lot of stuff in here that I've kind of ignored in the past, like that celluloid. Is it plastic or celluloid? I can't tell. The snowman. And this little Santa candy container. And then I see a rubber reindeer head back there. Yeah, and all this happening. Oh my gosh. Yo, what? Okay, basket. Commodore Japan. Okay, 65, even with 30%. That's a little steep. Oop, that's a little steep for me. Dang, my phone is dying. I need to, and I'm gonna close in a little bit. I've been here for so long. The celluloid cat, the little elf. Oh my gosh, look at the reindeer on wheels. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna sit down and do a little math before my phone dies. Hold on. Oh my gosh, and this pose doll. I am out of control officially. I'm about to cut myself off. I did buy the little Pose Pixie with the star hat. It's incredible. I can't wait to show it off to you guys. I also am getting that stuffed Santa Claus, which is just a masterpiece. Now, I do love this little tin litho basket. I've sold these in the past. They're really hard to find at a fair price. 22? No, 28 and 30%. That's about retail on that. Well, can we talk about these? These have that unique kitschy expression that we love. $11 and 20%. I am going to grab these because I cannot not do that. This is really quite incredible. I've never seen one like this. It looks very rare. Unfortunately, it is chipped and it has a specific month on it. If it didn't have a month on it, and it was just that angel with the tray, I would get that, but only so many people are gonna be interested in the month of September. Oh my gosh. But also what's happening with this lady at the desk? Are those newer than I think they are? They might be. I think they might be a little too new. Oh, Taiwan. Do they say a year on them? No, so we're gonna leave those. But we're gonna take the pigs. Good grief, look at this case. Oh my gosh. I am starting to lose steam. I'm doing one quick walkthrough on the lower level just to make sure there's nothing I really wish I had grabbed that I didn't. I'm still kind of thinking of those Santa and reindeer stick-ons with the original box that were $35. They are made by Girly, who actually makes a lot of the Christmas candles, the vintage ones like this. I think I've bought, there I go again with that silly word, bought enough stuff like this today because of the little bit of damage. I'm starting to get a little bit pickier. I have over $200 worth of stuff and smalls and knickknacks. Oh my gosh, the whole Howard cheese. I need to stop. Yeah, I've spent a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of energy, and the whole thing is you still gotta list all this stuff. And I bought a lot of tiny, teeny items that are very meticulous. Now this is bothering me. It would be $13.50. I am gonna go ahead and get it because I can't not. Even though it's got a little bit of that red paint loss, it's really hard to find these, and they usually sell for at least double that. So why not? And I'm on the fence about getting this head vase. I've had them so many times recently. I've spent so much money today. I'll probably regret not getting it. Let me add up with these items, what I've spent, and I'll get back to you. All right, I'm getting it, because if I don't, people will be like, why didn't you get that? And I'm gonna be like, I have no idea why I had such a hard time not spending an extra like $14 or whatever it is, just being a weird cheapo. Now, I will say, it's got some kind of, oh, it's just in the glaze, it's fine. Yeah, why not? These usually sell pretty well, and they kind of never go out of style. Yeah, so I have thought about these. They are made by the same people who make those candles, but I just cannot justify spending $35 on them. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna check out, and I'll see you guys outside. I am too fried to do any more math tonight. It is 7:30. They're closing the doors on me. It is 4 degrees, I believe, right now, and I've been at it all day. I spent $240 something in there. We'll talk about it in my unboxing video, but for now, I am ready to go home. Have a good night, everybody.